Hi, this is Brain Keys. In this video we are going to find the valence electrons in the periodic table. Groups or families are the vertical columns in the periodic table. In this way, we are able to determine the valence electron, with the exception of groups 3 to 12 or the transition metals. In group or family 1A, all the elements have 1 electron. 2A have 2 electrons. In group 3A have 3 electrons, 4A is 4, 5A is 5, 6A is 6, 7A is 7. And 8A is 8, with the exception of helium, which only have 2 electrons. Sometimes you see numbers from 1 to 18. This is one of the 3 systems of group numbering. This is the modern numbering system, which has been recommended by the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Let's practice a bit. Here are the elements. Determine the valence electron. Let's check. For boron it has 3 valence electrons, because it belongs to group 3A. Calcium has 2 valence electrons and yes, it belongs to 2A. Oxygen has 6 valence electrons and it belongs to group 6A. And helium, which is an exemption to the rule, it has 2 valence electrons even if it is in group 8A. Congratulations! That was awesome! So that's it. If you know your group numbers, then you have no problem determining their valence electrons. This is Brain Keys. Thank you for watching.